What is up, guys? Standard the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add any social media link to LinkedIn. So first, you need to head over to your Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, you need to search for the LinkedIn's website. After that, you need to log in or sign up to your LinkedIn's website or to your LinkedIn account. And after that, when you are welcome to the homepage of LinkedIn from here on the right side, you need to click on your profile and then click on View Profile. And after clicking on View Profile, you can do it from either clicking on this pencil icon or you can click on Add Profile section. And from here, you can click on Additional. After clicking on Additional, you need to click to Add Contact Info. After that, you need to scroll down till the very end, and then here you can see the instant messaging option. Under this, you can see the button to add messaging option. Click on that, and from here, you need to enter your social media's username and then the type of application like Skype, ICQ, Google Hangouts, WeChat. And when you are done, you can add another messaging option if you want. But if you are done with one, you can just simply click on save, and then your social media link will be added to or linked to your LinkedIn account. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.